Come here na, anak. Lalayas na naman ang mga tao. Come here, Mixo. Punta kami sa Eden, mga Mars. Ipapasyal namin itong mga to para hindi lang kami dito sa loob ng bahay, mga Mars. Ha? Dirara na, te. Okay ra na. Yung isa kong cellphone na pang-edit. Okay naman yung ating Mars. Ating battery. Nagdala pa ako ng extra battery. Kasya kaya kami dito. Isang sasakyan lang kasi yung gagamitin namin, Mars eh. Doon na lang kami sa likod. Kami na. Tapos yung mga mataas ang tuhod dito sa harap-harap. Kasya man tano. Nasa Eden na kami. At dito kami, Mars. Magra-rides muna si Yani at si Ajay. Okay. Okay, you go na. You too, go. Give me your bag. Give me your bag.
Nice to meet you, everybody.
Ha? Dito give me your bag because I think you cannot.
No.
Joo. Kato arvoisin, että pitää jättää tänne.
Joo. Okay.
No niin, let's go.
My man.
Oh. Mag-zipline. Si Ajay, kaya niya yan. Si Yan eh.
Maria, may first time niya ako.
Enjoy! Sila lang dalawa, mga Mars. Kay nakatry na ako niyan. Oy, hali ma. Kaya. Yung tumbler. Daming tao ha. Mixo, how about horse? Yung horse sana oh. Patry ko kay Mixo. Mag-horse siya. Ay. Pwede ba dalawa?
Bata lang. Isa lang ang di na pwede.
Ang bata?
Ay, taliksik ma. Oh, sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Wala tayo payong. Wala na.
Now we have to sit there.
Ano ito oh? Pwede kaya mag-upo?
Yeah.
Hala, oo, taligsik. It's raining. Doon sa sa bahay, wala man, sobrang init man doon. Dito lang naman yung medyo maulan-ulan kasi nasa tuktok kami ng bundok, mga Mars. Walking tayo. Kailangan lang aalayan si Mama. Nasaan na si Ajid at si Yani? Andun na. Dito tama. Dito sa asan sila Ajid? Ito yung dalawa, ging. Diyos ko. Yung Skywing, bahala kayo dyan. Lahat na lang ng ano matatawag mo dyan. Yoy. Sky Adventure Safety Rules. Yan oh. Ha?
Pagsaka, guyoron ko.
Oo. Hoy! May sumisigaw na doon. Eh! Tuwala, salo, kahista. Meron kasi doon, Grabe yung sigaw. Ano yung dalawa, Mars? Ano yung dalawa? Mga matatapang. Bye-bye. Mas masaya kasi pag may kasama. At least andyan si Ajid.
Valhalla, my friend.
Mataas kasi to. Ilang feet ba to? How long? How many feet? Yung kaporky. There is the bike. I don't want that bike because it takes so long. Nice tong tong zipline nga nakahapa ka ba? Kanina nakalingkod. Gusto ko yung nakahapa. Oo. Yan kasi parang nakaupo ka lang. Mixo, do you want to try? There's for kids. I think that's free. Yung pang kids, no? Like rides for kids. Do you want to try? Kagising lang kasi nito, Mars. Nakatulog sa biyahe namin. 30 minutes din yung biyahe namin dito. Ay, isa-isa! Where's Yani? Yan is second. Si Ajun mga Mars, wala na. Oh, dili sabay. Pero kasi... Yan eh! Ano na yun? Yan eh!
Onpa löysän näköinen vaijeri.
Oh, di ba? Otoy ko kumayo rakas. Ako hitol eh.
Sit kun tulee.
Yo, babalik yan sila Mars eh, kasi isa lang yung exit at entrance dito. Ito lang.
Eli tähän tulee.
Yo. Dire mo sila balik, no? Ah. It's raining? Ah. Ah, pwede pala dito. Ah, okay. We can stand there and take picture of them. Where is Yani? Yani is... Are they coming? No, not yet. Not yet. Oh, they're still there. He's coming. Yan. Yani is coming back. There. Mixo kami. Wow! Ayun.
How is it there?
Nice.
It goes so fast. You turn this harness over there. That is straight.
Nice. Where is Ajed?
It goes so fast.
Joo.
Potet ko rakas.
Otin.
Makakuha kaya. Maganda kaya yung video niya. You see?
Se tulee tosi lujaa tuohon.
Yeah. G-Lloyd is coming. Kuya G-Lloyd is coming. Where? Kulta, tutan eh. He's coming. Nice. Tapos na sila Mars, so punta kami doon sa kabila. Si Kuya Edgar ko, yung nagda-drive, at si Mama, hindi lang daw sila sasama, kaya nakailang beses na sila dito. Pasya lang namin si Marco at si Yani doon sa kabilang side.
Marko ei uskalla.
Asa na yun si Kuya Edgar? Wala, net?
May signal sa cellphone jud dili makadiretso.
Ah, kasi nasa ano kasi to, yung pababa, tapos may pataas, ganyan yung style ng mountain na to, kaya walang signal. Okay, you sit, Ma. Okay. We walk now there. The other side. Sa Pikas.
Let's go.
Nagpa-picture? Yeah, there's a pickup. Nagsiya, nagpa-picture?
Oh.
You smile pa. Let's go. Tuloy na.
You want there as well? Or you stand there?
Saan mo nadira ah? Pick up. Pick up?
Pick up.
He wants that pick up. Pa picture. Oh.
Picture you dali.
Na. Nag-request na mag-picture.
Smile. Another one.
Nag-smile pa. So, let's go. So, ikot-ikot tayo doon. Murag naman tayo. Dara, oh, ride. Kuya, sakay me. Oh, we can ride there. Asa ka ni matuyok ya? Ay, sige lang, sa entrance. Oh, go. Para hindi na kami maglakad.
Grabe, iingit-ngitan.
Kay akyat pa kasi yung entrance Mars doon sa taas oh. Hindi na kami maglalakad ba? Malayo-layo pa to. Oh, yan oh. 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 Like that. Oh, di ba? Layo-layo pa yung lalakarin namin. Oh. Pwede mo siguro sakay na lang ganito oh. Mag-ikot-ikot. There. Oh, there. Ayan, oh. Dator.
Ai tällainen tää nousuu.
Yo, ita-itar, Mitze.
Kami
O, diba? Hindi namin kailangan umakyat mga Mars na hirap kami. Okay. Let's go. Kuya. Let's go, kuya.
Tässä on mulle paras jalkatila.
Oh, Mikso. You sit with
Ja me
Jed!
takapenkille. Tää on hyvä mulle.
Jed. Tapari ni Jed.
Tuu tänne iskan kanssa. Tuu tänne iskan.
Oh. Oh. Ayan. Kasi kung maglalakad kami mga Mars, hindi namin mapupuntahan lahat yung
Aion, soin.
I am your tour guide.
may tour guide.
Temporary tour guide.
Ay, temporary tour guide. Akala ko whole tour guide.
You have a long leg.
That's why I chose this place.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Kasi nalakad namin to dati mga Mars. Hindi namin napuntahan lahat. Kay grabe kalaki.
Good afternoon ng buhay po Dayaw and welcome to the Nature Park and Resort. So by the way, I am your tour guide, Sunshine, and our driver is Kuya Ariel. Meron tayong kasamang training din. So by the way, our tour will take 45 minutes to 1 hour. And we have 3 stops over the flower garden, Tinundan, and Lola's garden. And cage, where you can touch the safe with their fish and
Fishy.
So if you want to catch a fish, we will provide you with a fishing rod and cage. And you may choose after the harvest of your catch.
Jay,
we
palungat
will
yung
take
gay
it off with you on your own. So that's per kilo para kilo. And on your left, our deer pen.
Ay!
That is our extension of our deer farm.
Bago to. Wala to dati.
Short trip.
It's new.
And to your far right side, our Vista cottages can accommodate 2 to 3 people with free breakfast. So
There is
perfect
rooms.
for honeymooners. Yes,
Ah,
sana
of course.
all.
Sana all. Honeymoon yan eh. Honeymoon.
Our garden hall can accommodate 300 people. Yeah, that's good for the
When I get married, I go there.
How's your wife? How's your wife, ha?
Wedding. And to your left side, our deer park. So, deer sa Ingles, usa in Tagalog, and Binaw in Bisaya. Binaw. Yes. As you might observe,
Meron. Oh, may mga animals pala talaga.
Yes, that is
There is
our
animal mixo.
Philippine
Deer. It's Philippine deer, not finished there.
Those are the males, and those who doesn't have horns, those are the
Laki-laki din to eh. So kailangan mo talaga Mars, mag-car kaya na. Nalakad namin to dati ni Marco. 1/4 lang yung napuntahan namin tapos napagod na kami kay malayo yung nalakarin mo.
Just your upper left side.
Ito yung mga rooms nila mga Mars.
Our holiday terraces, good for seminars. and
Laki-laki pala
parties.
talaga.
And on your left,
Mangosteen.
again, our mangosteen orchard. So, which covers up to 3 hectares.
Mangosteen
Yes, you can
tree.
see they are small and
Wow. Walang bunga? Wala mang bunga?
Yes, so our season for mangosteen is August to September. And also
Lapit na. Pero parang wala mang bunga.
And across the road, our another vegetables garden. We also have
Madami
here
silang
our
tanim.
native durian tree. Yes, our right side.
Ganda ng flower, oh.
Yeah, you know durian.
Uy. And ito na nga. Maganda
So
siya,
5
Mars.
minute break.
5 minutes, picture. Pwede kayo mag-picture dito. Draft open din. Punta ka dun sa kabila. Dyan. I love Eden. Doon ka mag-picture.
Mixo.
Oh. Oh, picture tayo. Lali, picture. Group picture.
Picture, one more picture.
Group picture, group. Eden. Oh.
Take a group picture here pa.
Oh, let's take picture. Wala na, group picture.
Kaninang phone po.
Oh, ano nila sa akin, ging?
Inside the frame. Asan
Inside the frame dyan. Oh. Oo. Rainbow, Mixo! It's rainbow!
Here kayo na tayo dyan.
Rainbow. Oh, another picture!
Another picture.
Another picture!
more.
Yeah, more picture! More!
So just here.
Come here, Mixo. Let's take picture!
This is last row with
Nakakatuwa yung ano namin, tour guide. Nag-change na kami ng tour guide mga Mars. Hinatid lang pala kami dito kaya hinabol kami sa last trip. Oh. Last trip. So, dito kami. O, ilan ba kami?
and then 1 one in the third row.
Okay, last row daw, last row. Come here, Kulta.
Fourth and the side.
Ayan. Kasya. Kasya, kasya. Oh. Let's go to the other side. Uy.
Let's go to the living.
Next stop. Ah, look. Ayan. Wow. Look, nak, oh. I think they will dance. I think they will dance.
Yay!
That's nice. Hey, you can give tip. You can give tip. Yo, ang sulap yan eh. Yo, diba? Yo, light ka ba?
And two, yeah. Ma'am, kayo ma'am. Nakagas yung picture. Sige, kapit mo ka rin. After them, kayo din pa. I'll take a picture with them.
Okay, I'll take picture. Gang, take picture. Let's take picture. Ayan.
We go up.
Ayan. Ah, close na sila. They're close na, no?
Ano mo, sila kasi, ito kasi yung last trip po.
Ah, ito na yung last trip. Hanggang 5 lang pala talaga sila. Mars. So, nag-ano na. Hoy, tulungan nyo. Carry it, but don't take it. Yung tip nila. Oh. Last na pala kami mga Mars. Buti nakahabol pa kami. Yan, oh. Diyan yan sila matulog. So they sleep there? No, I don't think so.
Maybe.
No. Nice.
Tämä on just tällainen niinku nyt niinku tätä alkuperäistä Filippiiniä.
Yo, this is our old house.
Old house.
All. Yo. Yes, our old house is like this before. Like, sa province mga Mars. Ganyan, oh. Like that. Nice. Dili, uy. Murag tambayan lang nila, oh. Bugnaw. Ang lamig niyan sa loob, ah. Ha? Lamig niyan? Oo. Ah, tapos mayroon silang mga ano, Mars, tanim, tabako, busikad, yung mga natural na herbs yata to, kalabo, ay yung mga panggamot-gamot natin mga Mars. Ayan, oh, tawa-tawa. Snake bite. Usage, snake bite. Ulasiman. Hindi ko man to alam. Pandan. Hey, there is that tobacco. And then, there's a plant.
Joo.
Like herbal. Like
What
this.
is used to snake bite?
Yeah, snake bite. And the other one is cough.
Joo.
Kalabo.
Niin on, joo.
Are you coughing? And then ano to? Atay. Earache. Earache.
Earache.
Fresh leaves.
Fever and
Nice.
flu.
Balangoy. This one I know. Fever and flu. Young leaves. Hindi ko alam yung balangoy mga Mars. Yung ito ba, oh. Ang akala ko lang, pwede mo lang to kainin. Pwede mo din pala gamitin sa fever and flu.
Fever.
Na, nga ni balangoy niya, ano ito ko. Ang akala ko lang sa balangoy, kakainin mo. Pero pwede mo din pala siyang gamitin sa fever and flu. Atay natin, ging. Oh, yahong. Ano to? Yahong. Fever, flu, respiratory tract infection. Yahong. There's a lot this. No. Yo. Ito, ang dami nito sa labas mga Mars. Pwede pala to. Ganito oh. Dami nito sa labas. Yahong. Oh. Ang dami niyang pwedeng paggamitan. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Okay. I think we are done. Yeah, we are done. Halwat ko yan eh. Toy talo. You stand there. Okay. Wala kay... Kati-kati na ikaw na. Nagkati-kati na. Uy, exit. Nagpicture pa sila. Nagpicture. Ano lang pala talaga nila yan. Day tour sila dyan. Oh, nagpicture pa si Yani doon. The model and the photographer. Hug yourself. Yani, hug yourself. Okay, the exit is here. Okay. Medyo madulas yung ano anak ha. Quite slippery nak. Slippery. You hold. Mixo, pitak ini. Subahaliw kas. Ito talaga tong kulit-kulit na to ay. Ayan. So, doon na tayo sa next stop mga Mars. Last destination. Woo! Last na to Mars. Ayan, buti na lang hindi mainit.
If the weather is good, you can see clearly the view of Davao City.
Okay.
But right now, the weather is bad.
So, we cannot see.
Little foggy.
Natabunan na.
Little foggy. Ang ganda dito ha. Ayan, oh. Nice.
Actually, nagpa-fall siya pero manipis lang.
Manipis lang, hindi gaano ka kapal. Do you want to ride there? No. Takot. No. It's not moving, oh.
Moving?
See?
Oh, enough. Oh, it's just wood. Oh,
You can touch. Takot siya. Takot.
I want to slap it.
Okay. That's good. You slap it. Okay.
Who said that?
Oh, very nice here.
Kita siya marang. Itulo na ko.
Mabango nga eh. Parang ano ba ngayon ang marang season?
Advance na siya, ma'am. Yung iba po is talaga August, September.
Oo. May
You take a
nakita
picture here?
Oh, picture.
Picture.
Picture. Wala na. Napagod na sila ate.
Here at the chair.
Pagod na sila.
Sure, they na sis.
Chair.
Nilalang lang yun siya, ma'am, kay
Nice.
siya for the long time ago.
Picture.
You can sit down, guys.
You can sit down, guys.
And behind you can sit.
Oh.
Okay, that's good.
Let's take picture. Picture again.
Ma'am, kayo, ma'am. Picture kayo, sir?
Dito oh. Wala nang laman tong wishing wheel niyo, no? May flowers pa. Ito yung pinaka famous nila dito mga Mars, yung ganito. Oh, there's flowers.
And water.
Yeah, there's flower.
And water.
You get your what? Ay, it's dirty.
Yeah, let's take picture.
Snakes.
Let's take picture. Picture me, gang. Let's take picture.
Okay ni. Karong gamay na lang.
So, yung nilalagay nila dito na bulaklak is galing lang din doon. Yan o. Doon lang din nila kinukuha. Oh, yung tanim nila dito. Kaya pala hindi puno. Ayan o. Ayan. Ito yung nilalagay nila doon sa wheel nila mga Mars. Wishing wheel. Sabi pa nga ng girl. Worth it naman yung punta namin dito. At least, may nakita kaming ibang place. Matagal na ako dito mga Mars. Ngayon pa lang ako nakapunta dito sa area na to. Dinala ko na si Pars dati, kaya lang hindi kami nag-ride. Doon lang kami sa baba, nag-walking. So, hindi kami nakapunta dito. Wow! Fit up! Nice one! Oh! More up! Ooh! Wow!
Mama's camera.
Ay!
I wanna bucket you.
Why you throw it?
I wanna do bucket you.
Don't jump ha, kay it's wet na. Gusto niya yan dyan.
And I'm gonna got you.
Bang, 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 bang.
Oli kiva.
Natapos na yung aming tour, Mars. Yes, it was nice. So, dito kami sa restaurant. Magbi-beer daw sila mga Mars. Yung entrance namin kanina, meron siyang free snack. Kinuha na namin kanina mga Mars. At ito, magbi-beer daw tong dalawa mga Mars. Gusto nila mag-chill. Okay, toilet is there. Ayan. Ito yung restaurant nila mga Mars. Gala-gala. So ito ngayon si Pars ay nagluluto. Do you have butter?
Very nice you put me on this position. This is my first time cooking with gas. And the pan is not Teflon, it's steel. So I'm very appreciative.
Okay,
let's
so
see.
you experiment. This
This
one.
is experiment.
This one. I can get the butter.
Yeah, I know, it is still hot. I already checked it.
It won't. It will stick?
It won't stick if it's hot enough. But because I don't know about gas, how, like, you
Okay.
put me
Very nice job.
difficult position.
Very nice job.
Yeah.
Where's the butter? Wala man lagi sila, ma. Asan naman yung butter? Saan ko man nilagay yung kanina? Ayan, ito. Butter. Dinner time ng mga Mars.
Ei oota. Iskata sun
Okay.
pyyhkeen mukaan.
Here's the butter.
Is that butter or oil? Because it depends. Butter burn, oil isn't.
Oh, you read.
More spreadable for bread. Fat spread.
We don't have anything. So it's not nice. There are-
I seriously don't know yet.
No,
Because
maybe we can grill it. How you think?
Hey, can you see better that oil supposed to be more than 60%? Can you see somewhere?
Oil.
Yeah, more than 60, otherwise it's not working. It
There
will
is
burn.
no oil. There is no oil.
Then it will burn.
Ah. What we will do?
We don't have oil?
There is oil.
There? I can use oil.
Here's the oil.
Here is the oil. We use oil.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you need garlic for...
I can use. Yeah.
Okay.
But wait. I need some tool to turn it.
Here's.
Oh, it's there. Okay. Now I think I have too much.
Front of you. Ano pa yung kailangan niya? Mantika. Kailangan niya ng mantika. So, bibigyan natin ng mantika, mga Mars. Uwi na yata yung ano dito ni Mama, helper. Kasi yung helper ni Mama dito, mga Mars, yung angel niya dito, ano lang yun, daytime. So, mag-in ng 7, uwi ng 7. And I think umuwi na, kaya hindi ko na nakita dyan. Paano nga to? Ako rin, kaya hindi ko rin to alam, mga Mars. Nakalimutan ko na paano gamitin to. See? You just...
Yeah, I know. I
Like
already
that.
asked how it works.
Okay, the oil is there, and you need knife. The knife is there.
I
You
don't
need...
I need for this.
For the garlic, you need chopping board.
No, I'm not chopping this. I'm
Ah,
just
you like-
crush it and put
Crush
the
it,
oil.
okay.
Yeah.
So, luluto si Pars, mga Mars. Ayan. Nahirapan ako maghanap ng litos, mga Mars. To yung magsalad lang sana kami. Hindi pala kami nakapunta ng Gmall ngayon kay naggala-gala tayo. In fairness, nagustuhan naman nila dun sa
No, actually,
pinuntahan na.
chopping
Yan. So sabi ko nga kailangan niya ng chopping board. Minsan, matigas din ang ulo
board.
niya.
Great.
Oh,
You can put that on.
I put it on. Okay, low or high?
No, high.
High.
High. Sticks need to cook on high.
I think that's high. That's high.
You can see the flames.
Yeah. Let's see.
See, I'm
The-
I'm very scared because this is first time.
You can try.
I will try.
Tignan nga atin be kung gaano ka-success to. Steak ni Pars. Tanggal na ng damit yung nagluto, Mars, kaya naiinitan na siya. Ayan, burn niya lang konti yung garlic para may amoy-amoy ang oil. You put salt already?
Huh?
You put salt already?
I did to the beef.
Okay. Let's
This is quite easy. You can actually like boil it here.
like that, yeah.
You get all the taste with the oil
Mm.
because we will throw the garlics. It's nothing there but giving smell.
You will remove
I
it.
will remove it so the oil gives now the garlic.
Yeah, it would be nice,
Taste
the
nice.
butter. But this is the butter I use when I make that.
Rakas, there is so many like. You mean here?
When
So,
I
so when you
make that butter shrimp. This is what I use.
did you fry it then?
Yeah, I melted it and just fine.
No, maybe I can try. I can try.
You just
Add
put,
some there. If it turns really brown, then it burns.
I think no. Ooh. Steak. Smell nice. Ayan mga Mark. Ganda ng fire kay. Very hot talaga siya. Masarap kasi yung beef steak na luto ni Pars. Yung ganyan ba?
Can you please bring me a plate where I can lift it?
Okay. Pag dun sa bahay, siya nagluluto. Gusto ko yung beef steak na pagkaluto niya. Okay, may lechon pa pala kami dyan, Mars. Yung sobra namin. Yun na lang aming kakainin. Here's, wala kasing mga tao dito, Mars, nagsitago na. Kaya may trabaho. Mamaya, yung work kasi nila, si Nice at yung pinsan ko, si Edgar. Sa call center sila nagtatrabaho. Okay, you can remove mo. And I can put it here.
More space.
This is first time Pars Marco cook.
With real flavor. And I must say I love it. I always wanted to do it. I would like to have at home this one.
Like that.
Because with this you can really make the pan hot.
Oh, yeah, not
And
like
pan
that.
is supposed to be very hot when you
Cook beef
cook
steak.
beef.
Smells nice. Ayan na nice. Oh, beef steak a la Pars. Wow. At si Nixo doon ay nag-swimming. I think may tao. May naririnig akong boses na nagsigaw-sigaw. Ay, na-close ni Nixo yung pinto. Sino yung nagsigaw-sigaw? Akala ko may tao. Ayan, oh. Oh, see, perfect butter. Your steak not yet burning.
No, it seems like okay.
Yeah, and I like the smell of the
Yo,
garlic. Ayan. Ay, hindi niya pa na-turn mga Mars. Excited ako pag
we supposed to
Inano niya na
see
yan,
it
na turn.
starts giving
fluid.
fluid up, like crying, then we turn it.
Like,
Not before.
so that's the way you cook
Yeah.
steak.
then you get like both sides like similar cooking, and in the middle this beef supposed to be like medium.
Yeah.
Not
I like this.
Or,
Yan.
yeah, tindihan ba?
Ay, yung na, oy.
Mayroon na kasi mag-ticket na sa Quran.
Kumain ka na, te?
Yes.
Ay, galing ka pala sa birthday, no? May lechon pa. So, ilabas natin yung
Kasi, alam ko, ano mo?
lechon. Ha, kanina, bumili kami ng lechon. Ito. May tira pa, edi.
Who seasoned it? Marco?
Marco. Siya nagluto niyan. Masarap niyan siya magluto ng steak.
Sorry, dili. Did ako ma-appreciate because I don't eat steak.
Kasi sila kumakain ng beef dito, mga Mars.
Si mama din. Kaya,
Ang sarap kaya ng beef. Yummy.
it's too, ano eh.
Too strong?
The taste is over yummy.
Over yummy.
Ang binibit, may problema.
Ano, oh, kanyan ba? Tumutubo na yung singkamas dyan, te. Kainin na daw yan.
Akin na tong dalawa.
Bago masira.
Bago
Ito
mamunga
siguro.
ulit.
Wala na siguro to. Mainit ba to? Ay, ready na. Anong oras na?
7:30.
After nyan, magkain na siguro kami.
Ay, na, may lechon para kay mama.
Tapos ito, nagsigang kasi kanina. Ayan, meron namang
Pork din.
oo,
Pork.
pork, chicken. Son, we eat. Sabay na tayo lahat.
You eat. Bye-bye. I'm done.
Okay, sabay na tayo ano ba? Eat ng dinner. Oo, grabe.
Pysyy minuutin päällä.
Kain na tayo mga Mars. Kami na lang yung natira dito. Si Alisa na sila kahit swimming yung mga bata.
Meni soija.
what else we
Soya.
got there?
Do you want soya?
No jotain vähän makuu tähän.
Riisi.
Joo.
Tuppa.
Otat siitä vähän lihanlentoa. Se
Joo.
on lihasoppa. Toi on nyt se lihasoppa.
Joo, mistä
Sabi ko, sabawan mo yung ano mo. Hanap ng tuyo.
Jotain kanssa.
Ottaa riisisekaa.
Joo, just näin. Jotain.
Saa vähän makuu.
Dito yung isa kong
Ota possua kanssa
ante,
siihen.
nagdala ng dinuguan mga Mars.
Ne on luita.
Joo.
Joo.
Yeah.
Se on iso.
Vihanik sila.
No en mie noin isolta. Mie syödä sitä pihviä nauti.
Busog na mga Mars. Tapos na kami kumain at sa labas ay sobrang lakas ng ulan mga Mars. Hala, uy, yung tiyan natin dyan, kumusta na? Napadami yung rice ko kay yung auntie ko nagdala ng dinuguan mga Mars ay di pwedeng di kumain. So, napakain na naman si Maring Queenie. So, ayan mga Mars, diin ko na po yung ating vlog. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa channel namin, sa mga bago pa lang po dito. Welcome po, and please don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell para po updated ka sa ating next video. Nag-enjoy naman po kayo sa ating vlog today. Please like, comment, and share this video. See you po sa next vlog. Good night po sa inyong lahat.